Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a really easy circular dishcloth. So let's get started. I post crochet videos on Tuesday and Friday and other videos in between. You can slow down your videos to a very slow speed by clicking on the gear icon below the video. You can find all my patterns in my Ravelry store, over 2,000 patterns there, and many of them are free, or on my Etsy site. HectaFavorites is my name there, and I have approximately 700 patterns there. To make this easy round dishcloth, I'm working with 100% cotton worsted yarn and a 5.5mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slip stitch in the first stitch, and that will join and form a ring. Chain 2. 1, 2. Carry the yarn end along the outside of the ring. Slip stitch to join in the top of the chain 2. Now you can pull that yarn end and close that center hole. Chain 2, double crochet in the same stitch. Make 2 double crochet in each stitch all the way around. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Like that, 2 double crochet in every stitch all the way around. Slip stitch to join in the second stitch of the chain 2. Now this next row is going to be repeated over and over until the washcloth is the size that you would like. So chain 2, 1, 2. Double crochet in the same stitch. Make 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. 1 and 2. Make 2 double crochet in the next stitch. 1 and 2. So you're going to repeat that all the way around. So double crochet in the next 2. 1 and 2. And then make 2 double crochet in this stitch. 1 and 2. 2 stitches in the same stitch, and then 1, 2, and then 2 stitches in the same stitch. Repeat all the way around. At the end of the row, slip stitch to join in the top of the chain 2. And you'll keep repeating that row until the washcloth is the size that you would like. So chain 2, double crochet in that same stitch, double crochet, 2 double crochet. So repeat that row until this washcloth is the size that you would like. Okay, I've gone ahead and I've worked 6 rows. You can work as many rows as you would like to do this washcloth. And I'm going to put another color border around the outside. You could do the border in the same color as well. So I'm just going to pull this color through. And I'm going to single crochet in that first stitch. And I'm going to skip the next stitch, and I'm going to make 5 double crochet in the next stitch. like that. 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip the next stitch, single crochet in the next. I'm going to repeat that all the way around. Skip the next stitch, 5 double crochet in the next. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Skip the next stitch, single crochet in the next. Like that. I'm going to work all the way around. Okay, I've worked around. As you're approaching the end of the row, you want to end with a single crochet here. So you'll have a skipped stitch and you'll have 5 double crochet here and a single crochet here. So instead of just skipping 1 stitch here, I'm going to skip 2 stitches and then single crochet in the next. So just adjust what you're skipping at the end of the row so that you end up with a shell and then a single crochet. So I'm going to finish my last shell. And there's my single crochet, so I'm just going to slip stitch into that single crochet, and then you can fasten off, and then weave your yarn ends into the finished work. And there you go. That's how easy it is to crochet a circular dishcloth. These are great for hostess gifts if you're invited to a Christmas party, or half a dozen of these as a birthday gift. And you can use them in the kitchen or in the bathroom. For all my washcloth patterns, click the link below. If you like this video, please click like, as it helps in the YouTube algorithm. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.